I don't really know how to start. I've been wanting to do this Friday video. So welcome back. When the video this is not taktikit asing itu illinan minat masakopia atulqsinnaasa taakkuwaasa nurullarpakkatamaammat vlogi kuiui tamakkusorlalaatserinaartarningaa ullakkusisimaammakittarnikkaa we all know tamakkusanallataanaapakka so I'm gonna back off of it so ullumikkuut weekendtimit eqqartulaarusupakka how much time do you really have ukunani weekendtini nangula they live for the weekend. Really, like weekendtilnisano so and that's a shame. That's if you're happy, I got nothing to say. When the video piffissaqartiginersutit like it doesn't count for anybody and everybody on average so whoa, how much time, like I really have time, like qilanaarnat to just do nothing. So weekend piffissaqartiginersutit allaqamo qalausupawani tallimangorner simila inuit nalinaasumik igen nalinaasumik sisammissaanisoartarput taalu qassimissaanu ilaani pingaartoqarsinnaarsorunamik kisiani nalinaasumik sisamaningaanik unnuaqeqqatitungaanut what you got like saasnnornolimik to 24 you got like 8 hours of the team soarnernik innarfissapitugaanu wait innartarfinga allaanar like it's a little different kisiani nalinaasumik tuha tallimangornermi soarnermik tuha circa 8 timer to do whatever you want. Tawa arfiningornermi sinererlutit like inuit ma nalinaasumik 7 timer sinittarput I get it ma snaasoq arfiningornermi tuha 24 timer taima 7 timer tinikkuit that's just for fun allatsimu minus 7 timer TVC to have what? 17 timer. Got like 17 timer affinning on the piffissaqartiginersutit to do anything. So by the ngokane innarnissapituanu that's again 24 ma 7 timer sinikkuit. Got like 17 hours. Tuha 17 gange 2. You got like 34 timer plus 8. That's katillungik kisilaarnikoa kisiani katillungik circa 42 timer. Una weekend piffissaqartiginersutit sulerissarnut to do anything maasnaasoq arlaanit saniatungusuliffeqartutit maasnaasoq soqutigisaartutit awaasorlu YouTube'um sanaarusuttarpunga imaaluni videoliorlungassiliartorlungaluunnit like you got 42 hours to do anything taaqarsaatingaassaakku inu sulisartunali naasoq sapatakunnaanut 4 timer sulisarpo imma haltime pausertaruit taru and you actually spend these 40 hours actually working una weekendsi piffissaqartiginersutit maluatakusinnaaneret ja piffissaqartiginersutit sapaati unavikiintiinna you got more free time than you have work time una sapaati kunnertamaat ataasingornermik tallimangornerutugaanut ortatiimisulisaaruillormun qarsaatingilaaluunni sorlula soqaalernerpit kingorna you can do anything like you got 8 extra hours to do anything ta sinittarnigut tia tanna fiati ortatiimisulisarner ortatiimimmin piffissaqarsutit ortatiimilusinissinnaаллутит tanna qarsaati kannerlugu una sanavaat and you got time you got so much time you got 42 hours weekends tamasa how amazing is that like I just basinanginarpa so inuinaami taallirtarnersi taala ataasingornermi suliartutiassappu qasullutik sinippiarsimanatik imaaluuni weekendinaappallaarpa no you have 42 hours sininitiminipakka you had 42 hours of what nothing like 2 or 4 times in karoit I'm ataasingornermi suliartarsinaaut qasullutit I get it. So please, you got time. You got more free time una weekendi sulinerningaani una sapaati kunnaanaallungo ataasingornermik tallimangornerutugaanut. So arlaanik eqqarsaleraluaruit if you're arlaating eqqarsaameruit una tor weekendi sulaanga I got nothing to do. I got no time. Please una isinginnaaqinguk watch it again weekendillun tamagaas isinginnaartayoruk and remind yourself that you got more time this weekend to do anything your side hustle arlatillun sammisatsorutingisat imaalunni itaquttatik kamalaatitit itanginissaat then you have worked the entire week so please do something about it.